Visit ticketcompare.com. Compare prices, buy tickets, get to the game. Ticketcompare.com. Buying tickets made simple.
The Sky TV pundits have called your tactics anti-football and a crime against football. Is that unfair, do you think?
Yeah, but I think that in this moment you have to accept every critic. Yeah, every critic. But I'm not so stupid to play against Manchester City Open and to lose 3-0 or 4-0. But I think that the pundit has to use the head to understand when you speak about tactic, because I think that you must have knowledge to speak about tactic and not to speak only to speak in a stupid way.